Paul Robeson, Spirituals in the Key of His Life. Video 4, Restoration. By 1958, McCarthyism began to decline, and Paul returned to the concert stage. He performed a concert at Carnegie Hall, April 9th, 1958. Matter of fact, ticket sales went so quickly and demand was so high, they scheduled another show on May 23rd in 1958. On June 16th, 1958, the Supreme Court ruled in the case of Dent versus Dulles that passports could not be denied solely based because of political beliefs. Paul Robeson's passport was restored. He also published later that year a book called Here I Stand, which is an actual account of his life, autobiography. If you want to get more information on Paul, that's the best source. After receiving his passport, he immediately resumed international touring, using Great Britain, Europe, Soviet Union, and Australia. All received him with great enthusiasm. However, years of surveillance, blacklisting, and political attacks took a severe toll on Paul. He suffered physical exhaustion and emotional strain. Experiencing serious health problems, he required hospitalization both in the United States and while he was abroad. By 1963, he moved back permanently to the U.S. and withdrew himself from public life, politics, and theater. He lived quietly with his wife, Islanda, until 1965, when she died of cancer. Upon her death, he moved to Philadelphia with his sister Mary. On January 23, 1976, Paul Robeson died following complications from a stroke. He was 77 years old. The funeral was held in Harlem, where thousands came to attend to pay honor to his life and his accomplishments. Artists, labor leaders, civil rights activists, and workers paid tribute to this great man. Paul Leroy Robeson will be remembered as one of the most influential figures of the 20th century. Paul Leroy Robeson, not Robertson, not Robinson, but Paul Robeson was a scholar, an athlete, a lawyer, an actor, a singer, and a human rights activist. His voice became his greatest instrument. Through spirituals, theater, activism, he gave voice to oppressed people throughout the world, especially at home. Through his life and his works, he preserved his belief in humanity. His legacy continues to inspire movements of justice and equality and human rights today. Paul Robeson was truly a Renaissance man.
Build the road of peace before us. Build it wide and deep and long. Speed the slow and check the eager. Help the weak and curb the strong. None shall push aside another. None shall let another fall. March beside me, oh my brothers, all for one